everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Souls. Today we're playing Cubicle Flat Part 2 with Sniperjr, aka Alfie.
Yay!
Can we literally just pull these things off the... Yeah, we could literally just pull the planks off and you decide to break the window.
But this way is more fun!
Yeah, but we're gonna match us with them. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher!
Fire!
Hold on, can I break this wall with the fire extinguisher? I want to see if I
I
can.
wanna go in the bucket.
Because I know this wall's breakable.
I'm gonna go in the bucket.
Wait, I think it actually is breakable. Oh my god, I can break it with a fire extinguisher.
I'm trying my best to be able to go inside of this bucket. I really want to go inside of the bucket.
Well, no, don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't make it hit the wall. I broke the wall with a fire extinguisher. I broke the wall with a fire extinguisher. The holy fire extinguisher. I am taking this thing.
Daddy.
I'm taking this thing throughout the whole thing, bro. Let's go. Is that a wrecking ball?
Oh my god.
Hold up, we gotta break it with a fire extinguisher again. Come on. Come on.
If you need some assistance, I'll be on the wrecking ball.
Bro's become Miley
I'll
Cyrus.
be on the wrecking ball duty. Just make sure you get out the way of the wall.
No, don't do it yet. There we go. Now you can. Now you can.
Arm.
Currently breaking your arm. Do that on a daily basis.
Come and have a look.
You know, I'll leave the fire extinguisher there. I will come and have a look. Is that
Not
jump?
even holding
Is that
onto
jump
anything.
possible?
Yeah.
Oh, the wrecking ball is. Oh.
I can't help myself.
Your arm is just extended. Your arm is extended.
Stop.
Your arm was extended, bruh. Wait, I gotta be on the wrecking ball when you do this. I gotta be on the wrecking ball when you do this. Alright, let's do this. Edda, you know what song to play.
Yes, sir.
I don't care if it's copyright.
Yike. Get in.
Yeah, I'm in. That was very boring, actually. I'll be surprised. Let me up
Would
there.
have been better if you didn't break it with the fire extinguisher.
Okay. Oh, I may have broken something. You know what? There we go. Can I put the lever on the glass, on the button? I can just put the lever on the button.
Okay, let's go.
I mean, it works.
Yeah.
We're just cheating the game left and right. We needed that box, but I used the lever instead.
Yeah. Why not?
Now, can we use the box for that? Can we use the box for that? Got the box.
Well, don't mind me, just doing my work.
Box.
Right, don't worry, I'll open it. I say because it only has a limited time. Right, 3, 2, 1. Never mind. 3, 2, 1, and through.
I'm through.
Help!
Oi! I'm losing my left arm. Oi, there we go. Alright.
Hold on.
Can you pull the lever? I want to come back through.
To put the box right up on the edge, you're going to pull it through and then I'll come through. Right?
Sure.
Pull it! Pull it in!
Crap! Open it again. I got it this time.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh! My arms! My arm! Yeah, maybe that idea is a no-go. Yep, that idea ain't gonna work. Alright, open the door so I can come through again.
Sir.
You know, actually, if the lever works like that, couldn't you literally just grab this pipe? You could literally just grab this pipe and just do this, couldn't you? If I can bloody get over. Like, pull the lever down. You pull the lever down. Or we just do that.
Right.
Like, you could literally just do that, couldn't you? No, that doesn't work.
No.
Oh wait, yes it does.
Run, 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 run.
I don't think it's on a
Arriba, arriba, arriba.
I don't think it's on a time limit. I think it's just if the lever's being pulled down, then yeah, it works. What does this thing do? Does that? Okay. Wait, hold up.
What?
This is where our backup box comes in. Because we don't need that box at the door. We can just use this. But we are just cheating this whole game.
Yeah.
Alright, come with me, Agent 47.
Okay.
Time to hit some men. Hold on. Trying to get up.
I don't know why, but this just gives me Indiana Jones feelings.
It just gives you Indiana Jones vibes. Oh god! Still giving you. Wait. Still giving you Indiana Jones vibes.
Yep. Cause I know
Wait,
exactly
wait, no, leave it. Don't hit it, don't hit it. I'm gonna go grab the holy fire extinguisher. You must use the holy fire extinguisher.
Aye, aye. You know what you said about dying? I think that's actually gonna happen.
Quite literally. Alright, where is it?
You put it next to that bulldozer thing.
I know, I found it.
Right, good.
The holy fire extinguisher is on its way. Oh, no, maybe if I use it with hold it with both hands, this will be a lot easier. That actually worked. Okay. Oh, that did not work. Okay, yeah,
Totally
maybe.
not blocking up the door.
Bruh. You have to do it like that, don't you? Okay, I might need some.
No, it moved.
I might need some assistance over here
How?
because. No, I got it. Okay. Okay, like off the floor.
God damn it.
Now, this is where I think I might need
breaking
assistance.
an entry, you stupid rocks.
This is where I think I might need assistance. Okay, I did not want to do that. Alright, Alfie?
You can see what work I've clearly done.
Alfie, get the fire extinguisher. Come out here.
Coming.
Come out here and get the fire extinguisher. No, 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 no!
Did you drop it?
No, it fell off it rolled off the edge.
Oh.
You know what, just use one of the rocks at hand. R.I.P. the holy fire extinguisher. we will miss you. Hold on, we've got to use this lever so I can actually go.
Yeet.
That should be a makeable jump, right? Yep. I almost didn't make that. Okay.
Yeah, you know what better to just remove this little pipe while playing on the railroad.
Well, no, before you move it, I want
better to
to stand on the track before you remove it.
I'm standing on the track as well while I remove it.
Let's do this.
Come on, damn it! Stupid pipe!
Oh no, oh no,
Look
oh
at
no,
this.
oh no, oh no.
Alright, I've brought it to a halt.
I was trying to use my pure muscle to stop it. Is it just me or has the music just changed?
I don't know because
Ooh.
on the
Break that glass. I don't think we were meant to break that glass. You know what? I don't want to know.
Right, I'm gonna turn my phone on silent mode.
What does this do? It does that. Okay. This looks a lot more complicated than I'd imagine it to be. Alright, let's get up here.
Yeah, you know, I could have just stood on the button.
No, no, no.
But do.
I still want to see what's in this room. Does the door even open? It does, okay. Wait, are the wrecking ball controls in here? Dang it, we can't control the wrecking ball. Oh, they're doors. I thought we had to break them. Alright. On my way.
On my way, on my way, on my way, on my way. Yeah, if you want, you can hand the bucket to me. Or not.
What do I do in this situation? What do I do in this situation?
In that situation, I would recommend you jump off.
Alright. Hey!
Bucket respawned.
Oh, I hit the back of my head on the bloody thing. Alright.
Don't mind me.
I'm getting good at climbing, you know.
Whee.
Oh, that's what you're meant to do.
Yes, you're supposed to swing on a wrecking ball.
Oh, I thought you had to go through the door. To be fair, you did have to.
I wanna swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier.
If you
Come on,
can you get it?
Wrecking ball.
Oh my god.
Thank you, my friend. I got the whole world in my hands. I've got the whole world. Yeah.
Bro, you really.
It's moving
It's
very slowly.
it's very slowly. Would you like me to come over there and help you?
Please. If it wouldn't be a bother, of course.
It's honestly more of a bother leaving you here. There you go. You can let go. You can let go. You can let go of the box. Let go of the box. Don't let go of yourself. Let go of the box. Cause
I'll
you're.
let go of myself.
No, don't. Oh, dang it. I don't think you were meant to do
Dang
that.
it.
Because all we need is the box. And either way, I think you letting go might make the wrecking ball fall. The box isn't respawning. I find that kind of concerning. Can I just
Don't
duck under-
worry. It's because it hasn't fell off.
Oh, you've not let go yet.
There we are.
There we go. Alright, now don't let go of yourself, only let go of the box. Because it might drop this thing if you let go.
I'm gonna let go. Nope.
Just gotta quickly limbo my way under this. Place on the button. Let's go. This is way complicated than it was last time. Alright, you can come back now.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Well, this doesn't look complicated. I wonder what this does. That. Got it. Oh. Thanks.
You're welcome. I think I'm permanently stuck this way.
You know what? I'll come and help you. I'll come and help.
I require assistance.
There you go.
I require assistance. Whee! Can I be a trapeze artist?
I mean, I can't exactly stop you. I can't exactly stop you. I know, it just goes, can I be a trapeze? Oh, I fell off. Oh, I fell off the whole thing. Alright. Our characters are truly drunk. Yeah, just out of nowhere, just can I be a trapeze artist?
Can I be a trapeze artist?
Like I said, I can't really stop you.
Because there's a trapeze artist thing right there.
Hey!
Go in, you stupid hog. Come in, you stupid hog.
Hold on, let me just...
I'll be waiting for my care package.
Care pack. Okay.
I'll be waiting for the care package.
Alfie, here's your care package. Hold up.
Yay!
Here's your care package.
Whee!
Hold it, can I swing on this thing? I can! Woo! Alfie? Alfie? Oi! 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 Hello there. There's more! There's more! Okay, that has an exit sign on it. That means that's the exit.
Trapeze! Trapeze!
Can we just...
Trapeze!
Alright, we can't jump on this. This is like a car that... Pull the lever! Oh, crap. I didn't hold on to it. Hold on to the lever.
I'm on.
There you go.
You crunk! Come on. Pull me up onto this blue little... Pull?
Oh. Let me try. Let me try. Let me try.
Okay, you try.
Lift me up. Sorry, I had to make sure I got a better grip. So it's better than Alright, now lift me up. Okay, it's going better than it looks. Made it! Okay,
Right, now it's my turn.
we're totally professionals. Okay, no, don't grab that bit, grab the very edge. Like, grab the edge here. Grab this bit. It makes it easier.
Yeah, right, okay.
You did exactly the opposite of what I told you to do, but sure.
Yeah,
If
look
I can,
at where
can I even lift the lever?
Daddy. What?
Almost fell off there.
It would appear so.
It looks like you're riding a bicycle. It looks like you're riding a bicycle. Just shimmy your way across. Go. You could try that.
Yeah, you know, just shimmying my way across. Yeah. Don't.
I'm sorry.
scratch
I
your
just
back.
have to. I have to. I'm sorry. Dang it! I was trying to crush you.
I was gonna go. I'm gonna go on here. Right. Yeet! Yeet!
That actually worked. Oh my! I was not expecting that to work.
Now I can be a trapeze artist.
What is it with you and being a trapeze artist?
Because I have dreams, you know. Oh wait, I can't be a trapeze artist. I have to pull a little thing out.
Yes. That's not what we want though.
No.
We need to break the glass.
Right. Sending you a care package now.
Care package? Oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Alright, how we get actually
Let me
gonna...
on it. Oh.
Do we need this to use the lever? Okay, look, I'm trying my best. There, let me join you before you go.
I'm fulfilling my dream.
I must be holding your feet before we go. You know what, I'll hold your bald head.
3,
I'll hold your bald head.
2,
Or your feet.
you.
So we...
I think we have to go separately, I'm sorry.
No, I'll grab your bald head. I'll grab your bald head.
3, 2, 1.
I did it, but I didn't hold on. There you go. Hold on. Let me just.
Can't move. We have to go one by one.
Unless we both hold the bar at the same time.
Right.
So
I am going to trapeze my way up. Yeah.
okay, get off the bar. Get off the bar. Get off the bar so you can both hold on. So I will pull you off if I have to. I will pull you off if I have to.
No, actually, right. Let me off, and then I'm going. There's a little thick pole over there. There's a thick. It's a 2 feet, 2-inch wall. So I'm gonna.
Okay, hold on. Shimmy my way across real quick. That works, I guess. Get up! Get up! Hold on, we must do this next to each other. So come on, get off, get off. Whee! Alright, so come over to this side.
Scratching my neck, you know.
Alright, there we go. That's perfect.
Better.
Perfect. Alright, grab on. Alright. You do the countdown.
3, 2.
Hey, you gotta go. You gotta go. Leave me, boy. Leave me. I didn't even know that was glass. Oh.
Me either. I didn't even know there was. I didn't know there was glass either.
I thought that was just a hole in the wall. I didn't realize there was glass there.
I fulfilled my dreams on becoming a trapeze artist.
Sure, you can be a trapeze artist.
I was a trapeze artist. Yay!
Anyway, that's the end of episode 2. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell of the video. We'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Hey, you want to start episode 3 here?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Soul's God. Today we are playing Fumiful Flat Part 3 with Sniperjr.